Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint Cameo to add a live camera feed to your presentation. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the presentation you want to enhance. If you don't have one ready, create a new presentation. Next, go to the Record tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. Click on the Cameo option. This will allow you to add your live camera feed to your slides. Now choose where you want your camera feed to appear. Click on this slide to select the specific slide where you want to display yourself. You can choose a single slide or multiple slides as needed. Finally, turn on your camera. Make sure it's connected and that PowerPoint has permission to access it. Adjust your camera settings to get the best frame and appearance. And that's it. You've successfully added a live camera feed to your PowerPoint presentation using Cameo, making your slides more engaging and professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.